So it's a high accuracy linear die sink machine. So we've coupled that with an Eroa ERC80, and then on the other side of that we've got a Zeiss Duramax CMM.
Connor, here at MAC 2024, one of your highlights here from Sodick is this automation cell, I'm going to call it. Can you just talk us through what the machine is, what's happening, and who it's of interest to?
Yeah, that's it. So we got the AL60G, which is, we've done many videos and pieces on it in the past. It's a core product that we sell. So it's a high accuracy linear die sink machine. So we've coupled that with an Eroa ERC80, and then on the other side of that we've got a Zeiss Duramax CMM. So
what's the purpose? What's it doing?
What we've gone for here is a cell where we can check and set up all the electrodes without ever touching the machine. So really, from a process point of view, you're going to have no downtime on the machine tool.
Now I'm guessing with this sort of process in this machine, accuracy is key, surface finish is key, all of these elements. How do you maintain those when you bring automation into the equation?
Yeah, so when we're probing on a CMM, so it's a very accurate CMM. The Zeiss Duramax is designed to be in any workshop environment with temperature fluctuations, and it will still be accurate to within 2 microns.
So you probe the electrodes?
Correct, so we're probing the electrodes not only for location and centre position, we're also probing form also. So if we've got any problems with the electrode as well, it won't get released.
Okay, so if you had like a curved electrode or something, you're essentially measuring every aspect of that to ensure that finished.
Yeah, that's it. So really, your cavity is going to be as good as your electrode. So the better you can make that electrode, then the better your shape is going to be once you've sparked it. Once it's been checked, it's then released into the cell. So the job management system goes, okay, the electrode's good, and then that's okay to spark on the component.
What, from your perspective, the Eroa system that sits in the middle here, it's like the engine, isn't it? I suppose
it is, yeah. I mean, when you take into account that you could be running 24/7 with this, when you're relying on operators, obviously, we're all human, we have days off, time away from the machine. I might do, yeah, go on holiday all the time. But yeah, so, we have time away from the machine really if you're in especially production, or you have long running jobs like this where there's lots of setup, lots of electrodes, that's time that someone's got to be at the machine, setting things up when really you want to be sparking and making money.
Which I'm guessing could accumulate, couldn't it? There could be lots of hours lost in that area.
Exactly, yeah. So easily, I mean, this particular job, for example, there's 27 electrodes. So if you were to set those up individually, you could be talking, 3 hours really, that machine is just down, and not making money.
And as they say, time is money. I mean, Sodick, we know about reliability. We talk about it a lot across our channels and how important that is to your brand.
Yeah.
But what about all of the infrastructure around that for supporting? If I buy something like this, I need to know that, the system in the middle, the system on the end, everything.
That's it, yeah. So I mean, we're in a fantastic position really that we got 7 field service engineers on the road. They're all in-house. They're all sort of factory trained by us. So really, their skill level is second to none. So you couple that with a very good product and a very reliable machine, you just know you've got peace of mind that the machine can run. If there are problems, we can sort it out quickly.